Hello. Hey, I'm Diane. This is a follow-up from my video that I made yesterday. I'm thinking I didn't give you enough information. Just want to mention a few other things. This is about being overwhelmed with bills and not really knowing what to do unless you've got a job perspective that is on the horizon. Things probably aren't going to change. So even if you're in an apartment or on your own home, if you're struggling to pay the bills, it means you have to downsize. You have to. Unless you've got a partner that is not working, that can go to work. Anything like that to help out. But if you just can't see the end of the road, then you have to change your life. That's what I did. Worked out fine for me. Actually, it worked out better than fine. The building that I'm living in was made by the Amish. I had purchased it at my home across the fence to store things. I'm sorry that I don't look at the camera. I don't know who I'm talking to. I just roll my eyes around. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to try to pay attention. But anyway, the building that I live in, I purchased it from the Amish, and I actually bought a repossession, which saved me $2,000. But you know, they, and I'm sure the other builders that build this building, have a financer that will not check your credit and will let you finance the building. Mine was like $250, and mine was large, 14 by 40. So that's where you can start, and you think, I can't live in a building, but you can. You can. It's just a small space, and people think you're quirky. You know, you live in a tiny house. You know, it's not like, oh, poor me, I'm having to move into a building. I mean, look at it differently. And you cannot think and worry about what other people say. Even your children. You have to do what's best for you. If you're waiting on that miracle to happen, remember that you are the miracle yourself. You have to push forward and just do something. I have a video. By the way, I will link yesterday's video down below in case you didn't see it. I have a video that I made a few months ago. I go through my building from one door to the back door, showing you everything that I did that was right and a few things that I did that was wrong, just to help you. And by the way, Bob Wells, I don't know if you have heard of him or not, but he has probably 100 videos on alternative living in trailers that you pull behind your car, you know, all of that stuff. Living in vans, living in cars. That doesn't sound too awesome, but some people do it and enjoy it. It's all depending on what you can afford and do yourself. If you're living on Social Security, there is a way just to live on Social Security. I don't do it because I have a business that it would be stupid for me to just turn it off online and not do it anymore. I can't do that. I'm going to be working until there are no orders. But that's beside the point. Anyway, there is a way. There is alternative living if you just search. Start today. If you're under pressure, start today. It'll lift some of that pressure. It really will. And you'll start thinking differently and thinking about what you can do personally. Even if you have a wife, or husband, or even if you have children that still live with you. There are alternative ways. And I'm going to link that video where I go through my house below. Now, when you first start You know, I sold my house, moved my building down here in my daughter's yard, then moved all my furniture that I was keeping inside this house, sold everything else, actually really downsized. Sometimes it's overwhelming because you've had these things all of your life, and you love them, I'm sure, but you don't have to have them. You just don't need them all. How many beds do you need, really? I only need one. Of course, I have another bedroom, but it's my workroom. It's where I make Roman shades. So anyway, I just encourage you to get with the program. You know, whatever you have to do. Search YouTube. There are so many wonderful videos out there that will help you. Just start searching. And then when you do it, and you're settled in your small space, then just take a deep breath and breathe. Everything will be okay. I wish the best for you. Just enjoy the rest of your life. Worry free. Okay, I'm gonna go. See you next time.